Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoTrendTV. I'm your Viprajesh again. In this video today, I am going to analyze and explain the reason behind why Mahindra and Mahindra have decided to discontinue the Mahindra Marazzo MPV and the KUV100 NXT subcompact SUV. Mahindra and Mahindra is currently preparing for a refreshed product range, including only 3 brand names, namely the Bolero, Scorpio and the XUV. Apart from the standard Bolero, Mahindra will launch the Bolero Neo and the Bolero Neo Plus, which are essentially the refreshed facelifted models of the TUV300 and the TUV300 Plus. The all-new XUV700 will be launched in the month of October, while the all-new generation Scorpio is also getting ready for launch really soon. The Mahindra Marazzo MPV was launched by the mid-2018 with a lot of expectations to compete against the likes of the Toyota Innova and the Maruti Suzuki Ertiga. In fact, it has good level of standard equipment from the entry-level variant itself, a patented platform with both ladder-on frame and unibody construction, and really unique aluminium shock absorbers lending an amazing ride quality. However, despite the feature and variant updates, the Mahindra Marazzo is still a very low-selling car compared to the Toyota Innova Krista, which sells 4,000 units per month average, and the Maruti Suzuki Ertiga, which easily sells 9,000 units per month average. The reason for these low numbers are clearly obvious. The Maruti Ertiga, despite being cheaper, provides more features and better cabin flexibility options along with a petrol engine. While on the other hand, the Toyota Innova Krista is considered the benchmark for MPVs, and despite being more expensive, is also available with a petrol and a diesel engine option. And yes, the Toyota Innova Krista is also way more powerful while also offering the Toyota brand name. The Mahindra Marazzo, despite being well packaged and comfortable, still does not offer the value for money, features and flexibility options seen on the Ertiga, and it also does not offer the premium factor seen on the Toyota Innova Krista. As a result of these factors, Mahindra has decided not to update the Mahindra Marazzo, and the introduction of a 1.5-litre turbocharged petrol engine is also cancelled. With the joint venture between Mahindra and Ford also dissolved, the plans for bringing a Ford version of the Marazzo has also been cancelled. With the discontinuation of the Mahindra Marazzo, Mahindra is planning to launch an all-new mid-size 5-seater SUV, which is going to be named the Mahindra XUV500 after the launch of the XUV700, which will essentially replace the current XUV500. The Mahindra KUV100 is one among the extremely low-selling cars and is rarely desired by mainstream hatchback buyers. Despite offering a comfortable interior and decent ground clearance, the KUV100's design has always been subjective despite the facelift, with the boot space lesser than most of its rivals, along with the not-so-refined, underpowered petrol and diesel engine options. The KUV100 till date does not have a direct rival and instead rivals some mainstream hatchbacks such as the Maruti Suzuki Ignis and cross hatchbacks like the Ford Freestyle. While the Ford Freestyle itself is a very low-selling model which barely manages to sell 1,000 units per month, the KUV100 on the other hand sells in single digits most of the time. This is the reason why the KUV100 will be discontinued really soon in its internal combustion engine-equipped avatar. Yes, that's right, Mahindra will soon launch the eKUV, which will be based on the very same KUV100. However, instead of offering a petrol and diesel engine option, the eKUV will come with an electric powertrain mated to a 15.9 kilowatt-hour battery, producing 55 horsepower with a claimed real-world range of 147 kilometers. This new eKUV is expected to be launched by early 2022, being the only electric subcompact SUV in India. So with the discontinuation of the petrol and diesel engine equipped KUV100, Mahindra and Mahindra will officially not have a product below the Bolero brand name. And along with the discontinuation of the Mahindra Marazzo MPV, Mahindra is soon going to be a true blue SUV only manufacturer. Stay tuned for further updates on Mahindra's new products. Do let me know what do you think about this discontinuation of the Mahindra Marazzo and the KUV100. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.